Hi, I'm Kenneth. Thanks for tuning in to TaiKabura. And before I move further, I'd like to shout out to Dimitros from Melbourne, Australia, and Peter Ortiz from New Zealand. It's really nice chatting up with you guys, and I'm glad I could answer some of your questions. Today's topic will be tie skirt stoppers. I received a few message asking me what sort of stoppers I use and what's available out there. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you what stoppers I use. Yeah, if you can see here, and there are some different type stoppers here as well. I don't particularly use only one type. I use quite a few, and as you can see, I only use rings as I don't really like to tie them on SS line. Okay, so the first one I'd like to show you are the TaiKabura stoppers. Right, it comes with two sizes in a pack. Very easy to use and very versatile as well in terms of how you place your skirts. Yeah. And another one is this. Or before I show you, this is how it looks. Yeah. Okay. That's for TaiKabura stopper. This is another brand. I can't remember what it is, but I bought it in packs. But the TaiKabura, one of the models, ready-made skirts, they use them as well. Very simple, very easy to use. Next one is, if I'm not wrong, this is Zesta. All right. Oh, sorry. Let me show you how the other one looks like. See this stopper here? The band. Yep. Okay. Now, let me come back to this. This is Zesta, if I'm not wrong. Okay, this is from Zesta. It has a hole here. Okay, if you can see it, there's a hole here. Right, that's where you fit in the tie, the long tie, and the skirts wrap around this groove here. Let me show you. Yeah, see that? And you see this tie inside here. So this is quite good in a sense where when fish attacks the tie, sometimes you get torn. So you can just pull it off and then replace another new tie through this hole. You don't have to remove this rubber band here. Okay. Next one would be the brass stoppers, like this. This one comes from one of the brands called let me see, Kuhaku. Yeah, the ghost jig. And you can also buy these stoppers from AliExpress. I don't know how much it is, but I find that these are too bulky and too heavy as well. Yeah. And then we have this one. It sells in packs. They are from Daiwa, and for the ready-made Daiwa skirts, this is how they use it. Okay, I'll show you. This is how we use them as well. Okay, these are two separate pieces. First, you do up your skirts and ties. Put a band, yeah, and then you go through it. And instead of rings, they have a small little hole here. If you can see, a small little hole, yeah. This is where you put in the fluorocarbon. Don't underestimate this small little plastic thing. They're really, really strong. I've tried it before. I've caught a couple of fish with them. I've never actually had one broke around this area. Okay, this is really, really strong. And another one or two here, which I don't really use them. This one is from Shimano, if I'm not wrong, from Shimano. And Jackal, Jigs, and Seafloor Control, they uses them as well. Just simple caps, right? Like this. Just a cap around it. Okay? Then I have my own self-made stoppers from plastic tubes. You can actually go back to some of my videos which I posted before on how to make your own tie skirts. There's a video teaching you how to make this as well. Okay, now about rings, I usually use size 3 for solid ring, and GP ring size 3 as well. So these are really, really strong ones. Easily, not easily, about 100 pounds, 80 to 100 pounds strength. All right. So I hope I've answered some of the questions in regards to tie skirts stoppers. And if you do have any more questions and comments, please let me know through our Facebook page. Please like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Cheers.